अगर इसको बेचेंगे ना कम से कम एक 5 लाख आ जाएंगे। Hey guys, good evening. You are most welcome to my new vlog. So today is 1st January 2022 and this is my first vlog in this year. So he is my brother right there and just now we just came from the rooftop in one word we can call it terrace. So आप उस छोटे छोटे clips को देख लीजिएगा, okay? So guys, well I came to my brother's house. So ये protest type कुछ है. So this is actually the view in front of his house. एक बार देखो यार कितना ज़्यादा amazing है. And ये railway का track है यार. These guys really very lucky. Will you come in the vlog? Bro, क्या scene है यार. Hello passengers. How are you all doing? Happy New Year. So he is my brother and इसके हाथ में क्या है दिखाओ भाई एक बार. So this is amethyst crystal. अगर इसको बेचेंगे ना कम से कम एक 5 लाख आ जाएंगे. This worth 5 lakhs bro. This worth 5 lakhs. And by the way happy new year. मैंने तुझे सुबह से बिल्कुल भी I didn't wish you. And introduce yourself bro.
I am Balaji Naik, well known as Bablu. Where I stay I shouldn't say that.
Even I don't say bro. It's privacy.
Yeah.
Of course. By the way इधर ना एक shopping complex निर्माण हो रहा है. And what's that bro? It's a temple or मस्जिद. क्या है वो सामने घर के सामने? No bro. What's this? What's this? I mean ये क्या चीज़ है? मस्जिद. एक बार देखो यार कि कितना प्यारा है. And more even there is a flag right there. I'll be showing it to you. There is a flag right there.
From here you can even see that Hussain Sagar flag.
What?
From here, Hussain Sagar flag.
Oh yeah, bro. Like seriously. तुझे पता है ये हमारे स्कूल से भी दिखता है. You know Manasalipuram, right? Well guys, मैंने ना इस vlog का बिल्कुल भी मैंने इंट्रो नहीं किया है. बस ऐसे हैपनली हो चुका है. And what's that bro? वो बॉल टाइप कुछ है. क्या है भाई वो?
Weather report देते हो.
What's that bro? What's that football on the top of the building?
Weather report आता है.
But I like that flag the most yaar. That Indian flag, that biggest, the second biggest flag of Indian country across the world. By the way guys, we are at the top of the chat. It's terrace. Well, it's actually the Kotras. Aryan! My little bro, what are you doing right down there? He is my brother right there, that blue mask wala. This fatty buffalo, white buffalo. So guys, this is a view from there. Actually, there's a बहुत ही ज़्यादा sunlight आता है, so that's the reason why they just kept this shield right here, green shield. And this is a view from here, yaar. Just look at this, such an amazing view, bro. Road का वो भी. Aryan, bro, you are riding the cycle after a long time. Bro, Aryan, please stop for me, right? Hello, fatty. Oh, white buffalo. अबे क्या है यार? भाई रुक जा यार मेरे लिए. Guys, to be honest, this society is really very peace and very peaceful. मेरे मुंह में ना और कुछ words नहीं आ रहे, so I am just telling only one word. Just this society is very peaceful with a nice quarters and all. I'll be just showing you a few of the places right here, like road, like this cycle right here. This is not my cycle, this is my brother's cycle, my cousin brother's. And there's a lockers right here. And सामने की तरफ में अगर तू जाएगा ना तो उधर से आपको दिखेगा एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुराना एक एयरपोर्ट. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा अभी. And more even guys, I'm riding this cycle and there is actually a community hall right here. एक बार देखो यार, यही है वो community hall. So there's a dog in front of it. Well, और क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए इधर बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा मैदान है. एंड दिस इज द कम्युनिटी हॉल विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. And there is a little park right there. In just only people are allowed, not any dogs and all. So well, I'm riding cycle, so मैं साइकिल को अंदर ले जा नहीं सकता. Like seriously, bro, this park is really very humongous. I mean, really very huge. I don't know why I'm speaking very good English these days. And we entered, and guys, यही है वो. What do we call it, bro? What do we call it? Yeah, this is a big airport, and this is a masjid right here. I am a vlogger. I am a stupid vlogger who is riding very fast bicycle right here. Yo, bro, yo, Joginder. This is the Begumpet Airport's NT Rama Rao's terminals, and that side is actually Rajiv Gandhi's terminal. Well, bro, there is a security guard right there. हम जाके उनको पूछेंगे कि हमको अंदर परमिशन है कि नहीं. So there is a little small temple right there. So it's just ask there. Okay. Permission ले ला. Sorry. So just now they told us कि there is no permission to go inside there. Well, I am happy to be here, bro. There is a really big airport right there, and I am riding cycle with only one hand. Yo. No bro. Please stop this. By the way guys, मैं आपको एक बार पूरा एक राउंड में आपको दे देता हूँ बेगमपेट एयरपोर्ट का, ठीक है? So guys, there you go. That's the terminal of Rajiv Gandhi, as I said before, and this is actually a checkpost. So well, I don't think so any permission is granted to make a vlog right here. Well, but फिर भी मैं vlog बना रहा हूँ. And if they tell me anything, I'll be just deleting all the clips for the security reasons. But still, bro, I'm recording this vlog for you all guys. How is this, bro? How sick is that? Okay, this is really very dope, yaar. And let's go far and far away. And there are few vehicles right here. Bro, why there is a traffic police barrier right here? I don't see why they kept. There's a KTM 250 right here. And I guess this is a launch. What do you call it, bro? I don't know what they call it. I forgot actually. There's an Audi right there. So guys, actually I was talking about this flag right here. This Indian flag. This is really very big yard. And there's a pond, little pond right there, and there is a floodlights. रात के टाइम पे चालू रहते हैं. And this road is really very huge यार. भाई टुकना मत मुझे. Hello. Happy New Year to all of you. And guys, I'm riding cycle in the main road, not main road is. By the way, the main thing is the road is पूरा खाली है road पूरा. Well, I need to just U-turn this my cycle or else वो security guard मुझे पकड़ लेगा. अगर पकड़ लिया तो मुझे बोलेगा कि भाई तुझे कौन परमिशन दिया कि यहाँ पे आने के लिए. Cause today is holiday, bro, and everyone are in the leave. So well, that's the reason why I came. Cause वरना तो भाई मैं बिल्कुल भी आता ही नहीं है उधर. The barriers, bro. जिधर भी देखो बैरियर है यार. And guys, last but not the least, there is a small little cute, the prettiest, what do we call this, bro, bakery or something restaurant type कुछ है. And this area is really very greenery, and there is a masjid as I told before. Well, let's just leave, bro. Well, I'll just leave this place here. I'm just feeling unsafe right here. Three, two, well, Chinno, you also, bro. Even touch it, bro. You are cheater. Aryan is a cheater, bro. He lost and he even cheated it. So guys, this is the airport right there. I think this is illegal to shoot, but yeah, I'll be just deleting if they tell me anything. And there's our Indian flag, bro, with our Indian map. I love my country a lot, bro. And what are they? I mean, I never came to airport before, yeah. I never came to airport. So presently we are thinking of going on the what we call airstrip with the Aryan. So presently we are thinking of going to the airstrip with the vehicle actually. So let's see what happens. This is the main gate, bro. Here the workers, they're just parking right. And this is the airport, and I've noticed one airplane and one more airplane, and here is Aryan with my dad. Well, there is actually a one cargo plane right there, black color. Have you guys noticed it? Yeah, bro. There's one more thing. Yeah. So we came to airport just now. Okay. With my brother. Bro, like my video, bro. I mean, watching my music video. We're actually inside the car, bro. What are you doing? ఇదేనా కేసర్ హెలికాప్టర్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ హెలికాప్టర్ ఇది ట్రైన్ గోయింగ్ రైట్ ఇదే రన్వే అన్నమాట టింకు అంటే మన ఎవరు అంత పేరు
ఆడు వచ్చిండు వచ్చి వాడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇక్కడ పైలట్ ఉంటుంది కదా పైలట్ పేరు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసిండు
ఏమని
నాకు నడిపి
నడిపించిందా మరి So guys, well now I am at the garage. Bro, when I was playing GTA 5, मैंने तभी इसको देखा था यार. Just look at this यार, कितना ज़्यादा बड़ा है यार ये. These are the planes, bro. I hope कि मुझे touch ना करे. Aryan, how is it going, bro? Just tell me how is it going. How are you? बोलो यार. Just look at this tiny tires. Bro, मेरा स्कूटी का टायर इतना छोटा रहता है, ठीक है? इतना बड़ा जहाज, हवाई जहाज. Yeah, it's very fat actually. By the way, guys, they are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10, 9 to 10 right here, like planes. Just revolve this like around and around, and around. Okay. Open it. This is a cockpit. This cockpit, right? Balaji's. You don't even know how to drive it, right? This is my seat, and this is your seat.
Okay, come on.
Bro, just first time I into the and we just not touching anything right here, bro, cause I don't even know about it. What's there right there?
Photos, videos.
Yeah, take it. Chupi.
ఆగ్రా వస్తున్నా ఆడికి.
So guys, actually there is a little trunk behind it, and with the retro controls right there. Aja bhai tu niche. Bro, just come here yaar. Bro, come here yaar. You just took a literally very vlogging, double vlogging. Aja fir. అవును యుద్ధ విమానం లెక్కన ఉంది అది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఫైటర్ జెట్, ఫైటర్ ప్లేన్, I mean fighter planes, but they are not fighter planes, bro. In fact there are two here and two there, totally 4. Chalo bro, give me some room right here. How was your feeling, bro? Just express it. Abey bhai.
Right?
Yes, it was all right. Aryan, tell me, how was your experience?
వీడియో థామ్ రే, ఫోటోస్
Nothing.
Nothing. You tell how was it?
So, I felt so good.
That was excellent actually.
Yeah.
One of the memorable. You're in the vlog. You're in the Mokshit vlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will be.
Vlogs, I feel so good. I
Oh
got
wow.
onto the plane. I felt so good.
Okay.
And
Ooh.
those are made
Bharatiya Vidya. What do we call this?
Sena.
Yo.
You see
It's a Nizam. These are the old planes, right?
Yeah.
Old planes. And we are going on the road.
You wanna see Peter?
Not in the plane. We are on the airstrip, but we are going in a car. We are not going on the plane. What?
నెమలి పోతుంది చూడండి.
So many.
Nemali? Yeah, there's a peacock right there. You seen it?
We see peacocks every day. Look.
Yeah, same. There are the hangars right there. You will be knowing it if you play in GTA 5 in the PC. Okay. I played GTA 5 back in the days. भाई घास फूस आ गया फिर से. It's really very dope, bro. That's really very dope. The plane right there. Have you noticed it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Oh, Air India.
Tourist place with
There's a Air India right there. We are back to the home. I mean, we are back here. As always, nice journey. This is the car in which we just took a round out there. So yeah, this is a car. Bro, how was the experience? It was great, yeah. I love the experience. Okay, it was first time, but yeah, I loved it. Like seriously, guys, that was really very memorable experience. Yeah. And to be honest, I really like the Airtel launch. I love it. These are the seats, really very hard, bro. If we beat it like that, नहीं ताकल है. It didn't hurt it, bro. But जब तूने मुझे मारा ना, जब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पेन लगा थी. Bro, it hurts a lot, bro. Bro, please don't. Thank God it didn't hit me. So guys, this is the airport, bro. Please stop it, यार. Please stop it, okay? Please stop it, यार. हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं है, बस acting कर रहा है. So what am I saying is, this was the airport. So this was the airport was active 20 years ago. So presently this airport is active for only the celebrities and the politicians. What is this, bro? Can I eat it? No. One last look. Such a peaceful place, bro. It is such a peaceful and greenery place, bro. Yeah.
I bet it with my leg.
No, bro.
Then.
Alright guys, that was really very amazing day. So well, Aryan was, I didn't took his review, yaar. Well, I'll be just taking his review, okay. Aryan bro, please stop it. Aryan, please stop that. Please tell me how was it, bro? How was that? अबे बोलना यार. अबे शर्मीला भाई. Aryan, stop. Aryan, dude, like seriously, he's not comfortable sharing his review. He's really very shy in front of the camera. जो कि पहले वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा shy बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. But I don't know what happened to him. He is not comfortable being in my vlog. I don't know यार. मैंने आपको पिछले 2 महीने पहले भी आपको बताया था, लेकिन वो अलग रीज़न था. But presently I don't know what's the reason. Well guys, I need to upload a vlog now, okay? I need to upload a vlog now, so give me some time. और उसके बाद we'll be just making a vlog, okay? By the way guys, ये साइकिल जिसमें मैंने पूरा आपको स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था ना, वो मैंने इसी वाले साइकिल में बैठ के मैंने शूट किया था, ठीक है? This cycle belongs to Balaji Nayak. Me, you bro. To be honest, you both guys look similar actually with specs in specs. ఇక్కడ రెండు ఉన్నాయి స్టేషన్లో. ఇదే ప్లేస్ అక్కడ. అవునా? ఇక్కడే ఎందుకమ్మా అక్కడ?
విక్రాన్ వల్లనే కేసులు వెళ్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి వద్దానే మీరు ఏదో వ్యాక్సిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఏం లేదు అనుకుంటే ఎడబడతాడు తిందా.
So guys, well, with that all being said, that's the end of this today's vlog and hope you all guys liked it. And yeah guys, आप comment section में जाके ज़रूर बता दीजिएगा कि आपका favorite part कौन सा है इस vlog का. So अगर आप पर्सनली अगर आप मुझे पूछो तो मुझे वो वाला पार्ट पसंद है जहाँ पे we just stepped on the car and roam around the planes and वो वाला सीन बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा यार. कि यार it was unreal actually, like I was like, it was like dream actually, not my dream actually, not my dream, but it was like ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं ना कोई सपना देख रहा हूँ. And guys, more even please do like, and guys please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. And please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, subscribe करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना, cause it's really very important. And more even guys, we are really very close to 1.2k subscribers, so कर देना यार जनवरी के एंडिंग तक. Well, by the way guys, happy new year and hope you are all having a great day and great year. And 2020 में ना कुछ खास नहीं हुआ, but Yesterday I just watched my all of the videos and those were like really very cringy. यार मैं क्या बताऊँ. Well, bye यार. See you in the next vlog. Peace out. Goodbye. Goodbye.